What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have decided to do something a little bit different for you guys. As you can see, I'm already dressed and I look bomb. You know, something like nothing crazy. But I just wanted to come in here and list some of my favorite products for beginners. You know, I feel like it's hard when you're first getting into the makeup industry because there's so many options. Like literally there's a new product dropping every freaking day. I can't even keep up, so I can understand when you're trying to get into it, it can be a little bit intimidating, a little bit overwhelming. So I just figured I'd list some of my favorites for you guys. So let's get into the video. So I want to go obviously in like the order of how I do my makeup. So we'll do eyebrows. This E.l.f. compact here, I believe I got this at Walgreens for $6. $6. Don't quote me, I'll go ahead and give you guys the right prices of everything below. It comes with 2 tones, so you can give your brow a nice gradient effect. I use this on my clients, but yeah, so you have a lighter tone, a darker tone. This is a medium shade, and they have dark, they have a lighter tone as well available, but I definitely recommend it. Goes on smoothly. It comes with a little brush if you don't have brushes, so great for beginners. Next, for concealers and contour, to be honest, I definitely recommend these are dirty, so sorry, but the L.A Girl Pro Conceal. If you haven't seen this, then you're lying. They got them at, I'm sure it's at your local beauty supply store. They're everywhere. They probably sell them at like Walgreens, CVS, your pharmacy. Definitely recommend these. They go on creamy. They're great for cutting your eyebrows, great for even cutting your crease. If you don't have any other eye base, you can definitely use this. Moving on, eyeshadow, my fave, of course. One of my literally top palettes, especially at the price point, is the Zulu palette by Juvias place. As you can see, I've used basically almost all of 4 colors. Got 4 pans showing, but it's a great product. As you can see by how large the pans are, this goes forever. You know, you can use this for a while. Also, I do use the tones like the pinky tone or even the purpley tone as blushes sometimes. There's a really shimmery pink in there that can be used as highlight. So for eyeshadows, you kind of just want something that you can get a lot out of. And I understand the Zulu palette may not be your thing, but Juvia's Place has a lot of palettes that are the 9-pan. Really, I recommend any Juvia's Place 9-pan palette like this one. This I believe was $12. Don't quote me, but they're always having a sale, so definitely recommend. If you don't want to shop online, they have it in Ulta too. That's where I picked up my palette. Definitely do recommend Juvia's Place, and they're black owned. Period. Like, it's a queen on the front. We stand. Moving on, the next palette, I'm only gonna recommend 2. Morphe, of course. Morphe's got a lot of palettes. This was the first one that I got, and this is the Morphe 35F palette. If I can get it open. As you can see, it's kind of been through hell and back, but it definitely gives you all your variations of browns and lighter tones down here, and also comes with a whole bunch of shimmer shades that you can use to customize, put on top of your lid, and give you a little swoggle, because we love that. Eyeliner. My holy freaking grail is this NYX vinyl liquid liner. This stuff is god tier, okay? I'm gonna try to look at me. Yeah, this stuff is so good. Okay, where do I start? It goes on darkest dark, okay? It doesn't smudge. You never once you start running out, like, you know what I'm saying? That you get this beautiful detailed brush. Like, look at how nice and small that brush is, so you can go ahead and make your like, if you've ever seen my eyeliner, this is what I had on. You like, oh, Noelani, your liner looks so good. This, period. That I've never used in my, I don't know, however long I've been doing makeup, I've always used this eyeliner. It's bomb.com. It doesn't smudge, doesn't crease, doesn't move. It doesn't, you could rub it after it dries. It's not going anywhere. Just get you some of this. I believe it's $8, $7, $8 in there, but worth it, and it lasts a while. And also, if you're not good with the brush that I showed you, they also have felt tip that's also in the vinyl liquid liner range. You know, they have multiple shape tips, whether it's a fatter, whether it's a smaller one. They've got multiple shape tips, so you can find whatever is convenient for you. Moving on, we're gonna go into face, and no lie, the best beginner foundation, I literally use it every day. Maybelline Fit Me, you know, I've already recommended this to you guys, but this is shade Espresso 380. It is hard to find your shade because this is really only carried in drugstores like CVS, you know, pharmacies, Walmart. Walmart has it as well, but and you know, places like that, and anywhere, because COVID now you can't really test your shade, but they have an extremely large range. Like, you can go from the palest pale to the darkest of darks. Honestly, I don't want to say it, but they're like drugstore Fenty with the foundation. It's amazing, and I believe price point's like $8, $9. So for a foundation, that's bomb. And it is a buildable coverage, matte and poreless. Everyone loves that. If you have more of a drier skin, they do have a more hydrating foundation. That's also the Fit Me brand. So it's just on the other end of the matte spectrum. But this is for normal to oily skin. So if you fall in that spectrum, you can use this, and girl, bomb.com. As for facial concealer, obviously, like I said, L.A Girl Pro Conceal. Moving on, blush. Obviously, we're gonna go into the Fit Me. Fit Me, Maybelline, it's bomb. I'm also gonna say that for our pressed powder, you know, Fit Me. This stuff is bomb. Obviously, I've used it all. But if you don't have any makeup brushes, comes with a sponge, you know, so you can pat down all your concealer. And the blush, same kind of compact size, quick, good for traveling, whatever. But the blush is perfect. I love this because I did struggle to find a good blush tone for dark skin, and this shade is Berry. This is in the shade Berry, and this works magnificent on me. I use it all the time, and it doesn't have a lot of like sparkle in it like blushes do, so you can still wear a highlight with it. Absolutely. One thing I did kind of jump the gun on is I forgot to mention primer, but E.l.f. has this poreless putty primer, and I am not sure the price of this one. You guys know I'll drop it for you. But this product is amazing. It's a thicker primer, as you can see. It's illuminating. So you get a nice like sparkle on your skin. See that? But yeah, so you get a nice sparkle in the primer, so you get a nice glow. And it's also very thick, so it goes in for filling your pores. So you get a nice poreless, you know, matte, beautiful finish on your foundation. And this stuff is pretty good. You know, I like using it on my clients, or honestly, any of E.l.f.'s primers. They do have, if this doesn't work out for your skin type, they do have multiple ranges where you can select. Honestly, they've got ridiculous amounts of primers, so check that out. I just like that one because it's illuminating, and we all love a little glow. As for lip products, I'm definitely gonna have to suggest NYX for beginners, only because they literally have pencils, they've got butter glosses, they've got regular glosses, they've got matte colors, they've got everything, literally any kind of finish you're going for on your gloss, NYX has got it. And they have the corresponding pencil, like lip liner, that you would need to line your lips. This NYX liquid lingerie, these are actually matte. I'm more of a matte lover. If you don't, you know, you can definitely apply a gloss, or they do have glosses like the NYX butter gloss. I believe that's a $6 or $7 price point. Bomb.com. You know, you have moisturized lips all day, and your color stays for most of the day. Yeah. Like, subscribe, you know the vibes. Like, subscribe, click the notification button. Make sure you're here for my next video on Friday. I hope you enjoy your Monday. That's what I got for you guys. Oh, and I hope you like my outfit. you know, I'm trying something a little bit different. And, or my shirt really is what I'm concerned about. The turtleneck with the bowie sleeve here. Let me back up. It's very like a baggy. But you know, I'm still cute, so you know, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.